So somebody on Twitter sent me an invoice number, and he sent me an account actually, so we'll just run his account so we could show you guys on stream. But you can use any wallet, you can load any wallet ongoing. Okay, so we'll log out of this one and we'll run this over dude's account. He sent it to me on Twitter, so he's in the invoice number. Check that invoice number is valid. So he's a match customer, so I'm just gonna run his account. You don't have to send me your account, but if you need to, I guess. Let him do the wound, but you can literally just do it yourself. And he said this account is also Perma-ban because he was using cheats. Most likely detected cheats, so. And I can already tell by his account number that this is an automatically generated account, so he most likely bought this account from someone else. He most likely got this account from somewhere else, and that's a cheating account. But it was permanently banned. We'll run it up. And let me close this and restart it. Select Activision. You can use apps like Cash App. Cash App, you can buy Bitcoin and then send it to whatever you want to send it to. But this is the account number here. Press enter. Let it do its thing. There it is. Okay, so we'll give it a few seconds. Just remember this email is the same account. Some people accuse us of switching accounts, like one edits, it doesn't make any freaking sense. This is literally live, and how can I edit this? It's retarded. But anyways, we can refresh now, and it is most likely gonna be Unbanned. I don't have to say anything, literally. If you guys go to anyone else who claims that they do Unbanned, tell them to do it live. Tell them to do it live. If you want to know who the real ones are, tell them to do it live. That's it.